Welcome students, I am Saptarshi Chatterjee working as a security researcher of CyberKings India. So today I will be encountering 3 more questions which has been sent through Gautam K. Babu of Park College, right? So let's start. The first question is how to get a backdoor entry or a backdoor in a website or a application. So first of all I will tell about what are backdoors. So backdoors are when you get admin access to a website, like you can change the website and other things. Okay, so if you get a admin access to a website and you know that the credentials of the admin access can be changed by the admin, or you are only reporting to that website, okay, but you want to access this admin portal again and again, so then you can make a backdoor entry from where you can directly insert in the admin dashboard, so that you don't need the normal credentials like entering the username password of the admin. The second question is what are water hole attacks. So water hole attacks are, in a recent past we have seen that these are increasing day by day, and it is a new kind of attack. Okay, so in this I will be giving an example of a crocodile and its prey to make you understand. Okay, like you have seen that in Discovery and many channels that crocodile waits under the water and waits until a prey comes to drink water and attack him directly without knowing of the prey, right? In the same way hackers attack organization, like I am a attacker and I am targeting Microsoft. So first of all I will personalize the employees, like I will figure out 5 employees of that organization, then I will search about their daily routines. Then if I find out that they are using a website frequently, like if they are using a restaurant to buy food in the lunch period, so I can search in the vulnerabilities of that website, and if that website is vulnerable I can insert ransomware in that, so that when the employee of the Microsoft goes to order food from the website, that ransomware can act in his machine when he will be redirected, right? So that once a ransomware or a spyware is inserted in his machine, then indirectly I am inside Microsoft, as because he is connected to the internal network and his PC or laptop can have credentials or main documents which are useful for Microsoft. So it can be used in data breaching, privacy exploration and many more attacks. In this, the main concept is to personalize a person or an employee or a group of persons or an organization even, so that they get redirected to their personalized website without knowing that. Okay, so the third question is what is XSS. So XSS is one of the kind of vulnerabilities which is very highly popular, as because we get XSS a lot in bug bounty programs, and also it is easy to find if you know the right way. Okay, so I will be telling what is XSS in a simple way. So XSS is when you insert your script in an input file. What is input field? Input field can be a name input or a search bar. So if I have a script like script 123 alert, script close, and I insert it in the input field of the website, and it triggers my script. Like if I have been put an alert, then alerts come with 1 2 3, so that website is vulnerable to XSS attack. So if my script is running in that website of the input field, then XSS is successful. Thank you. That's it.